नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या अगोदर आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 पाहितला आहे. आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 पाहण्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला पाहणार आहोत. त्या अगोदर दिनेश कके मॅथ अकॅडमी हे यूट्यूब चॅनल तुम्ही सबस्क्राइब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहता येतील. तर मग सुरू करूया. nth टर्म ऑफ एन एपी. nth टर्म ऑफ एन एपी means Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term means Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, means a is equal to first term. A is equal to first term. D is equal to common difference. D is equal to common difference. n is equal to number of term. Number of term. And Tn is equal to nth term. Tn is equal to nth term. For example, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dash. A is the first term. Common difference means 4 subtract 2 means 12. Find the 10th term. 10th term means n is equal to 10 in. A is equal to 2. D is equal to 4 subtract 2 is equal to 2. Find 10th term means n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 means Tn is equal to, apply this formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. N means T10. A is equal to 2. N means 10 minus 1 into d means common difference 2 is equal to 2 plus 10 subtract 1 means 9 into 2 means is equal to 2 plus 9 into 2 means 18, means T10 is equal to 2 plus 18 means 20. Apply this formula nth term means Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. जेव्हा तुम्हाला टर्म काढायचा असेल तर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट द करेक्ट नंबर इन द गिवन बॉक्सेस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग AP. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, 1, 8, 15, 22 dash. 1 is the first term, second term 8, third term 15, fourth term 22. T1 is equal to 1 means A is equal to 1, first term. T2 means second term is equal to 8. First term T1 is equal to 1. A means 1, T1 means 1. T2 is equal to second term 8. T3 third term 22. T2 minus T1 means common difference. T2 second term 8, T1 first term 1, 8 subtract 1 means 7. Common difference is 7. T3 minus T2, value of T3 is 22 minus T2 is 8. Value of T3 is equal to 15. T3 is equal to 15. 15 subtract 8 means 7. T3 minus T2, value of T3 is 15, T2 is 8, 15 subtract 8 means 7. Example number 2, 3, 6, 9, 12 dash. Here T1 means first term is 3, second term T2 is equal to 6, third term T3 is equal to 9, 4 term T4 is equal to 12. T2 minus T1, second term subtract first term, 6 subtract 3 means 3. T2 means 6, T1 means 3, 6 subtract 3 means 3. T3 minus T2, third term subtract second term, 9 subtract 6 means 3. Common difference D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. This is final answer. Practice set 3.2. Question number 1, example number 3. Minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18 dash. Here T1 means first term is minus 3. Second term T2 is equal to minus 8. T3 third term is equal to minus 13. T4 fourth term is equal to minus 18. T2 minus T1. T2 means minus 8 subtract minus 3 means minus 8 subtract minus 3, minus 8 minus minus plus 3, minus 8 subtract 3 is equal to minus 5 means T2 minus T1, minus 8 subtract plus 3 means minus 5. T3 minus T2, minus 13 subtract 8 means minus 5. Minus 13 subtract minus plus 8 means minus 5. Means minus 13 subtract minus 8 means minus 13 minus plus 8. Minus 13 plus 8 means minus 5. Means T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 5. Minus 13 plus 8 means minus 5. Minus 13 plus 8 means minus 5. या ठिकाणी मायनस मायनस प्लस झाला, मोठ्या संख्येत चिन्ह दिलं, 13 मधून 8 गेले, 5 राहिले. A means first term is minus 3 and common difference means T2 minus T1 minus 5 or T3 minus T2 minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Example number 4, 70, 60, 50, 40 dash. Here T1 means first term 70, second term 60, third term 50. A means first term 70, second term means 60 subtract 70. 60 subtract 70 is equal to minus 10. पुढच्या संख्येमधून पाठीमागची संख्या वजा करा. उणे 70 मधून अधिकचा 60 गेला, उणेचा 10 राहिला, मोठ्या संख्येत चिन्ह द्या. minus 10 means D is equal to minus 10. D is equal to minus 10. This is final. Practice set 3.2. Question number 2. Decided whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find 20th term of the progression. Minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 dash. Means solution is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 dash. First term A is equal to minus 12. T2 first term T1 means A is equal to minus 12. T2 is equal to minus 5. T3 is equal to 2. T4 is equal to 9. T5 is equal to 16. T6 is equal to 23. T7 is equal to 30. First term A means minus 12 T1, T2 minus 5, T3 2, T4 9, T5 16, T6 23 and T7 30. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Second term subtract first term means -5 subtract -7 is equal to -5 minus minus plus 7. T2 minus 12, sorry. T1 is -12 means T2 is -5 and T1 is -12 plus 12 minus minus plus 12 is equal to plus 12 subtract 5 means 7. D is equal to T3 minus T2. 2 subtract -5. 2 minus minus plus 5 is equal to 7. Means D is equal to T4 minus T5 is equal to 9 subtract 2 is equal to 7. D is equal to T5 minus T4 is equal to 16. 16 subtract 9 is equal to 7. D is equal to T6 minus T5 is equal to first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Means 23 subtract 16 is equal to 7. D is equal to T7 minus T6 is equal to 30 minus 23 is equal to 7. Means common difference is constant. Means it is an AP. It is an AP. Find 20 term. Means A is equal to -12, D is equal to 7, N is equal to 20. Means Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Find T20. N is equal to T20 is equal to A means first term -12 plus second term N means 20 minus 1 into D means 7. Means T20 is equal to -12 plus 19 into 7. 19 into 7 means is equal to -12 plus 19 into 7 means 133. Means T20 is equal to 133 subtract 12 means 121. 121. Answer is T20 is equal to -12 subtract 133 means 121. 20 term of the progression is equal to 121. This is fun. Practice set 3.2. Example number 3. Given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20, 24 dash find 24th term of this progression. Arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24. Find 24th term. His sequence आहे arithmetic progression. 24th term find करायला सांगितलेली. Means 12, 16, 20, 24 dash. 12 is the first term. A is equal to 12. D means Second term subtract first term, 16 subtract 12 is equal to 4. n is equal to 24. Find 24 term. 24व पद काढायचं मीन्स Tn. apply this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. n means 24. A is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 means 24 minus 1 into d means 4. D means 4. Means T24 is equal to 12 plus 24 subtract 1 means 23 into 4. Means T24 is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4. 4 into 3 means 12. Take carry 1. 4 into 2 means 8 plus 1 means 9. Means T24 is equal to 104. 20 term, 24th term is equal to 104. Practice set 3.2. Example number 4. Find the 19 terms of the following AP: 7, 13, 19 and 25. First term is 7, second term is 13, third term is 19 and fourth term is 25. Find the 19th term. Solution: 7, 13, 19, 25 of the AP. First term A is equal to 7, second term 30, D is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Value of D is 6. Value of A is 7. Find 19 term means n is equal to 19. Apply this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply this formula. Value of n is 19. Value of n is 19. Value of a is 7 plus n is 19 minus 1 into value of d is 6. Value of d is 6. Means T19 is equal to 7 plus 19 subtract 1 means 18 into 6. 18 into 6 means T19 is equal to 7 plus 18 into 6. 6 into 8 means 48. Take carry 4. 6 into 1 means 6. 6 plus 1 means 10. 108 means T19 is equal to 7 plus 108 means 115. This is final answer. Practice set 3.2. Example number 5. Find the 27th term of the following AP: 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. Find the 27th term. Means solution: 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 dash. First term is 9 means value of A is 9. Second term is 4 means D is equal to second term subtract first term. 4 subtract 9 is equal to minus 5. Value of D is minus 5. A is equal to 9 means find the 27th term means n is equal to 27. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn means 27 is equal to value of A is 9 plus n minus 1 means 27 minus 1 into value of D is minus 5. T27 is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1 into D. Value of D is minus 5. Means T27 is equal to 9 plus 27 subtract 1 means 26 into minus 5. Means T27 is equal to 9 plus into minus means minus 26 into 5 means 130 is equal to minus 121. Minus 130 subtract 9 means minus 127 means T27 is equal to minus 121. 27th term is equal to minus 127.